the Meghan Markle pasta, or is it Meghan Sussex? Anyway, I made the pasta. This is how you do it. Onion. I use endive in mine, but you could use any vegetable you want here. Then I had some ripe tomatoes, so I did 3 tomatoes here, very ripe. And I found these on Markdown. I used the endive because I found it on Markdown. I use these soft tomatoes. They're nice and soft because I found them on Markdown in my farmer's market section. So I do suggest that you give that a try. Use about 5 or 6 cloves. I crush them. I don't like the garlic. Go ahead and saute all of that in your olive oil. Then I use some white button mushrooms that I also got on Markdown. These were chopped up for me already because they were on Markdown. So score for me, I just rinsed them off and into. Then I have a bunch of greens. Now these greens are dandelion, which has a little bit of bitterness. Worked perfect in this pasta. But if all you have was spinach is fine. Swiss chard, anything that you have is okay to put inside of here. But some greens. And go ahead and just chop them inside. And go ahead and cover that. Mix it around a little bit. The tomatoes are going to get nice and juicy. Everything has its own juice, so just let it do its thing. Add some salt and pepper here. And some onion powder and garlic powder. A little lemon salt or lemon pepper, either one. And some mushroom seasoning. And you choose how much. I use about a tablespoon of mushroom seasoning. A teaspoon of lemon salt. Go ahead and saute that up. Let it get nice and juicy and flavorful. A little bit of a juice break here. I make my own juice and had a juice break. Then you can add some olives. These are Kalamata, but if all you have is black or green, that's fine. Add in any olives that you want, about 15. And look at it. Just a beautiful, beautiful saute. And you're just about ready to put your pasta in now. I put in a whole package of spaghetti. You could use linguine. I think I actually did use linguine. Yeah, this is linguine. And then just cover it with boiling water. My bad on these last bits, okay? So about 10 or 15 minutes until it's tender. And then turn the heat off and put some vegan feta on top. You're not going to see that because I got busy talking on the phone to my family. And so this is as much as you see. But go ahead and just top it with that feta when it's nice and creamy. And it's delicious. Trust me.